pupuntahan ng marami. Pero, alam mo, Rolene, what makes this year a little bit more special than other years? Alam mo ba, Rolene?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Ano nga ba?
Naku, akala ko alam mo.
Kung alam mo yan, sasabihin mo sa amin.
Hindi, kasi nandito tayo sa original location kung saan dating nakatayo ang iconic giant Christmas tree natin. Kaya naman now, we are making new memories.
New memories talaga. And it is such a blissful season to celebrate. At ito nga ang totoo, no? Everyone is looking forward sa yearly tradition na ito na more than 4 decades na natin ginagawa. Only here in Araneta City, di ba? Of course, bumati rin tayo, Jeremy, sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon. Hello, everybody!
Ay, parang kaya pa nila. May energy pa ba kayo?
Sobrang excited nilang makita kung sino yung pupuntahan nila ngayon. Ikaw ang pinunta nila ngayon. Ikaw ang pinunta nila.
Ay, talaga ako? Ikaw yun.
Pero mamaya abangan talaga natin yan, no? Pero sa lahat ng parang nakatutok sa ating online streaming sa Facebook page ng Araneta City, hello rin po sa inyong lahat! Merry Christmas!
Yes!
Yes, at naku, tumutok lang kayo kasi nga mamaya, bukod sa mga naglalakihang bituin na makikita natin, meron din tayong mga regalo.
Uy!
Ang premyo sa ating raffle, kaya tutok lang kayo dyan.
Oo, kaya naman, Lorraine, alam mo, you mentioned yung mga stars na magpapaningning ng mga Pasko nila. Eto na! Guys, makinig po kayo mabuti, ha? We have It's Showtime Kids, Imogen and Kelsey here with us today. Nandito rin ang P-Pop group na Rhyme. Oh, ang daming fans na Rhyme. Oh, ito naman, nandito rin ang PBB Gen 11 star, Kai Monterola! Oh, ang PBB Gen 11 big winner, Biang Smith! And of course, Lorraine, ang isa talaga sa mga iniidolo natin from the global group SB19 sa lima 18 natin, Josh Collins! Grabe! At ito talaga hindi ito nawawala sa ilang taon nandito sa Christmas tree lighting dahil mas lalo pa niyang ginagawang maniningning ang gabi natin. The lead star of And the Breadwinner is ang Asia's phenomenal and Acapulco star, Vice Ganda!
Grabe! Sobrang blissful talaga and exciting ang Christmas. Alam mo ba, Jeremy, this event wouldn't be possible without our beloved sponsors. Kaya naman, pasalamatan natin sila, di ba? Coca-Cola, the world needs more Santas. Pure Foods Tender Juicy Hotdog. Ang pinaka-tender, pinaka-juicy, pinaka-masarap ay pinaka-sulit din. Ang sulit na inuulit-ulit. Petron, tapat sa'yo. Manila Bulletin, over 120 years of timely stories and timeless truths. Daily Tribune, without fear, without favor. Novotel Manila Araneta City and Ibis Styles Araneta City, the first Novotel and Ibis Styles hotel brands in the Philippines. Pizza Hut, make it great. Dairy Queen, happy tastes good. Taco Bell, live math.
Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo at syempre hindi mawawala ang Araneta City Christmas activities this 2024. First off, we have Ali Mall Christmas tree lighting this November 16, 2024, Saturday at 3 p.m. at the activity area lower ground floor, Ali Mall. Syempre we have the Belen lighting November 22, 2024 at 6 p.m. We have at Farmers Market along General MacArthur Avenue, Santa and Friends meet and greet Friday, Saturday, and Sunday starting November 17th until December 25, 4 p.m. at Gateway Mall 2, Gateway Mall 1, Ali Mall, and Farmers Plaza. We have the Mascot Parade every Sunday starting November 17th until December 25 at 4 p.m. at Gateway Mall 2, Gateway Mall 1, Ali Mall, and Farmers Plaza. At syempre, the Mascot Parade. The Mascot Parade and ito, the fireworks display natin. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday starting November 23 until December 29, 7 p.m. at Green Gate Smart Araneta Coliseum along Gen Aguinaldo Avenue. At syempre, hindi nawawala si Santa Claus. Dito rin si Santa Claus. And Lady Santa, Lady Santa, may candy cane ba siya?
Aabangan ko yan talaga.
Aabangan ba?
Oo, pero meron din ako mga special thanks din today. Special thanks to McDonald's, love ko to. Jollibee's, Pastoes, Chicken Joyous, biggest and best tasting Chicken Joy. Ho, ho, ho! Season's greetings, Coca-Cola. This season, we're celebrating the magic of Christmas through kindness and all of its forms. Join our festive Coke Truck Ho 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 activity and unlock exciting rewards from Coca-Cola. Show your loved ones how much you care by personalizing a Share a Coke bottle and sharing a refreshing drink together. Just visit our Coke Truck and discover the delightful surprises we have in store for you. Don't forget to show kindness to nature with our care bins. Simply drop your empty Coca-Cola bottles into one of our bins and choose how you'd like to make a positive impact. Every little effort counts, so let's work together to care for our planet. Merry Christmas from Coca-Cola! Ho, ho, ho!
Oh, isa ba?
Ho, ho, ho! Parang Santa, parang ako na si Lady Santa. Tinatanggap ko na, ako na po yun.
Isa ba?
Oh, mamaya na! Mamaya na! Ito na naman talaga. Pero alam mo ba, Jay? Ang dami nating online viewers ngayon.
Totoo yan! Ang dami nating online viewers kasi kanina na-mention ang ating Christmas raffle for all live audiences dito sa ating Araneta City Facebook page live streaming and syempre para sa ating live audience. Ito, makinig po kayo mabuti. Scan the QR code located at the entrance booth and audience area to complete the online form to earn one raffle entry and earn
Manager of Ibis Styles Hotel, Mr. Raymond Nobleza, AVP Marketing of Pizza Hut, Attorney Tommy De Castro of District 3 Action Officer, Quezon City. Of course, meron din tayo mga guests from Coca-Cola, Jeremy, no? Si Miss Cindy Banaria, Coca-Cola National On-Premise Head, Miss April Apsay of Coca-Cola Modern Trade Director, and Mr. Steven Gaysen, our Coca-Cola Commercial Excellence Director.
Siyempre, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Mayor of Honorable Mayor Joy Belmonte. Hello po, magandang gabi po. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo sa ating festivities for tonight.
Yes, talagang mag-e-enjoy talaga silang lahat, no? Ito na nga. At dahil mag-e-enjoy